Thank you very much. All protocols observed. God is good and all the time. Kwa majina ni Joseph Kamanga, nafanya na kampuni ya insurance inaitwa CIC Group. Pengine ukiingia ama ile chupa umeshika ya maji, umeona iko na lebo ya CIC. Na ya kwanza ni shukrani kubwa sana kwa sababu ya wale ambao wameandaa hiki kikao. It's a very big initiative, very important. Na nimetumwa na salamu na our group CEO and the managing directors and every other person in CIC, wale wamejua tuko hapa. Wamenitumwa na salamu na we really want to appreciate. We appreciate because I'll take only 2 minutes, but where we work, we also have customers. We have all kind of stakeholders. Once in a while, there could be a conflict here and there, and I think mediation is the way to go. Before we go to the last bit of it, I think this is a noble cause, ya mediation. Na kuna mtu alisema, do not cut what you can untie. Ukienda kufungua, kama ng'ombe imefungwa mahali, huedi na panga kukata kaba. Unafungua, kwa sababu hiyo kaba itafungu. So it's part of avoiding a conflict. Mtu mwingine akasema, actually, Mahatma Gandhi akasema, that peace is not the absence of conflict. We cannot say that we have peace because we don't have a conflict. Rather, it is the ability we are able to live with that conflict. So I really want to appreciate this. We are really happy. I know there are many things that we try out there ya kusolve our conflicts. Huko kwetu nyumbani nilikuwa naona pengine mtu akikosewa, unajua hiyo conflict itakuwa handled jioni. Mtu anaenda plot, ananunua chupa bili, anajiweka, alafu sasa anakuja kusolve issues. But we have a very good forum here of mediation. Na mtu mwingine akasema that mediation is a conflict's way of looking at itself. Kwa sababu you cannot have a conflict with yourself, although pengine nitasema mambo ya insurance kidogo, but you cannot have a conflict all by yourself. Tukute we hapa unajiumiza. But that mediation is a conflict's way of looking at itself. At a conflict, mediation kana kuletwa uelewano ni njia moja ya ile vita ambayo ilikuwa, ama it's a way, maybe nitakuwa assisted kwa Kiswahili, lakini Mswahili mwingine akasema nyani haoni kudule. Kwa hivyo sasa mediation inasaidia nyani aone kudu. That is mediation. Nyani aone kudule, kwa sababu akiona kudule ataacha kusubuliwa na ile ya mwenzake. So CIC is an insurance company. We've been there for over 53 years. Tukifanya mambo ya insurance and financial services. We have experience, we have the expertise, we have the excellence in that. So we are one of the 3 major companies that we have in Kenya, having an asset base of over 50 billion. I think we are doing well, and we do all kinds of insurance. Kwa hivyo kama uko na ng'ombe huko, uko na ngari, and also issues to do with your personal life, because we are also saying as CIC, we are also mediators. Why? You have your life today, you are strong, you know yourself, and there is the other you after 10, 12, 15 years. So there can be a conflict between your now and your future. So that is where CIC comes and mediates between the 2 stages. By giving you life insurance, kama ni masomo ya watoto, tunakupangia. We have things we call income drawdown. Ukipata milioni 10, usitelemke Mombasa, utaanza kukuja kusubua watu ukisema unataka mediation. Na pesa ikikurwa ni kama hiyo haiwezi patikana. So we say we have an income drawdown, a very good plan for yourselves, and also insurance for your employees. And we also do something we call annuities and pensions. Weka pesa kwa sababu ya siku za usoni. Nikienda kukaa chini, we have our team out there. Tuko na our marketers, please, ukienda nje, because I cannot be able to explain a lot of things here. Ukienda pale nje, you will meet them. They will be able to service you, give you service. They will be able to talk to you. God bless you so much, yes. And thank you so much.
Kabla uketi, Mr. Kamanga, at times mko na conflict huko kwa ofisi yenu. How do you resolve your conflict?
Most of the time we will talk with the customer.
Yes.
We first show the terms that we have,
okay,
so that the customer first understands, and then we also listen to the customer's side.
Yes.
So, and most of the time, because you rarely see us in court,
yes,
unless now is the third party claims, some of them must go to court. But if it is anything that can be mediated, we use mediation. Just the word of mouth, soft words, and placing hard facts on the table.
Let me interest you by informing you that the court annexed mediators, they have now been trained to conduct private mediations. Instead of you incurring a lot of cost and time, you can hire the services of the private of the mediators, who can make use of the session and register the agreement through the court. So I want to request you whether we can have a session, perhaps later on, where we can get the contact for your organization, and you meet the team of able mediators, so that you reduce and minimize the time that your organization spends in resolving the dispute.
Okay.
Ama namna gani mediators?
So thank you so much. I think we'll talk after this. But we are also happy about the whole process, and that is why we have an initiative of sponsoring, and we will not hesitate to participate in future.
Asante sana, makofi. Asante sana.